Okay, no? This time, let us answer problem 212 from your book. So, sabi dito, a rigid bar ABC shown in figure is hinged at A and supported by a steel rod at B. So, determine the largest load P that can be applied at C if the stress in the steel rod is limited to 30 KSI and the vertical movement of end C must not exceed 0.1 inch. No? So, may scenario siyang binibigay naman, no? So, ito siya, no? So, ito yung free body diagram niya. So, tinatanong niya ito. Sabi niya, ano ba dapat value ng P? No? So, this is a steel. P steel. And this is a reaction at A. So, this is A. It's 2 feet. 3 feet. No? So, dito, sabi niya, ano dapat ang value ng P para hindi siya mag-exceed ng stress ng steel na 30 KSI. And the deformation at C, this is C. So, this is C. So, magkaroon siya ng deformation here sa C. Deformation at C should be limited to 0.1. 0.1 inch. So, kung 0.1 yan, kung 0.1 yan dyan, what will be the deformation here? Deformation here. Deformation still, no? What will be the deformation here? Deformation still. So, that is triangle. This is deformation still. That is triangle, no? So, the ratio of the triangle, if you notice, this is the triangle. So, may triangle dito. So, this is the triangle. Small triangle, and this is a big triangle. So what is the ratio of the triangle? So, 0.1. So, 0.1 is to 5. So, this is 0.1. And the distance is 5. This is triangle. No? So, 0.1 is to 5. This is the ratio of the triangle, similar triangle. So, what is the deformation in steel? No? If the distance is 2. Okay? So, therefore, it follows that deformation in steel, the deformation in steel should be 0.04 2 times 0.1 over 5, that is 0.04. So, this is 0.04 inch. No? Yun lang ang allowable. Kasi ang allowable lang sa C is 0.1. So, the allowable in steel, no? Yung deformation doon sa position ng steel is only 0.4. Okay? So, but if you sum the moment, no? If you sum the moment at A, so let us sum the moment at A. Summation of moment at A is 0. So, P still, that is counterclockwise, and P is clockwise. So, P times 5, that this is 5. P times 5 equals P still times 2. Okay? So, therefore, P is 0.4 P steel, no? 0.4 P steel. P is 0.4 P steel. So yan lang dapat yung kanyang that will be the value of P, no? So therefore, so deformation in steel is P steel over PL over AE. So P steel, what is P steel? So deformation should be 0.4 lang, no? So P steel and L ng steel is 4. PL over AE. Area is 0.5 and E is 29. 29 times 10 to the 6. No? And P steel, no? P steel times 4. 4 is in feet. So that's why you need to multiply it by 12 para maging inches. No? And the limitation is 0.04. Okay? 0.04 lang. So therefore P steel, no? P steel is 0.04 times 0.5 times 29 to the 6 divided by 12 divided by 4. So that is 12,083. So this is 12,000. This is 12,083.3. This is in pounds. Okay? So this is P steel. So what is the value of P if P steel allowable is 12? So let us substitute. So therefore this will become, if P steel is this one, so P is 12,083.33 times 0.4, that is 4,833. So this is 4,000. This is 4,083.33 pounds. No? Minultiply ko siya sa 12 kasi P is 0.4 P steel and the P steel is 12,083.3. So therefore 12,083.3 times 0.4. So yung value ng P. So yan yung value ng P. This is the value of P para hindi mo raw ma-exceed yung 0.1 doon sa C na deformation. But meron pa tayong isa pang i-check, yung stress. No? Yung stress. So what is the value of P if the stress in steel is 30,000 PSI, no? Kasi 30 KSI, no? So 30,000. So sa steel naman, check natin dito sa stress naman tayo mag-check. So stress is force over area. So this is 30,000. And the force is P steel, no? P steel. What is P steel, no? P steel is kung pwede nating sabihin dito na P steel. Okay. P steel is P over 0.4. Pero pwede rin natin mamaya, no? Ibalik rin din. Pwede rin naman. I-substitute natin. So P steel pwede rin naman equals P steel over area. Area ng steel is 0.5. 0.5. So dito, P steel is 0.5. That is somewhere in times mo sa 15, no? So times sa 15, area is 0.5, no? So P steel is 30,000, 60,000, 60,000. Try natin. So 6,000. So 30,000 times 0.5, that is 15,000, I mean. That is 15,000. So that is 15,000. 15,000 pounds. And we will use this kasi P is 0.4 of P steel, no? So therefore, P here, if we consider stress, P is 0.4 of 15,000. 1, 2, 3. And P is 15,000 times 0.4, that is 6,000. 6,000 pounds. Okay. So, dito, meron na naman tayong dalawang value. So that we will not exceed the stress in steel, P should be 6,000, no? But if we want not to exceed the deformation at C na 0.1, ang P daw natin is only 4,000, no? So therefore, ang tanong is what is the maximum value? Kasi sabi dito, determine the largest load P. Ano pinakamalaking P na pwede natin gamitin, no, para maging safe? So, this one will govern the smallest value. Smallest value will govern. Kasi if we apply a load of 6,000, yung deformation sa C lalagpas sa 0.1, no? Kasi ang kaya ng C na load lang is 4,000, no? But if we apply 6,000, the deformation will exceed on 0.1. But if we apply 4,083 pounds, the deformation will be only 0.1, but the stress is less than 30,000 and the limitation is 30,000, no? Okay. So the safest load is 4,000, so that we will not exceed a stress of 30,000 and we will not exceed a deformation of 0.1 in C, no? Kasi sa stress ang kaya niya 6,000 eh. Pag niloadan mo yan ng 4,000, so lalo mas kaya niya, no? Okay? So 4,083 is the